This 2024 CrossRoads Zinger ZR340RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, water heater, TV antenna, spare tire kit, microwave, LP detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features U-Shaped Dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Zinger ZR340RE is 9,034 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.